Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to fix error code 0XC004F213 in Windows. First, ensure that you have a valid product key. If you purchase Windows from the Microsoft Store, you can find your product key there. If it came pre-installed on your computer, check the back of your device or the packaging for a sticker with the key. Now, press Win+R to open the run command. Then, type ms-settings activation and press enter. In the activation settings window, select the troubleshoot under Activate Windows. Follow the prompt to complete the troubleshooting process. Sometimes, updating Windows can resolve activation issues. After that, go to Setting, then Update and Security and Windows Update. In the next step, check for updates and install any available updates. Next, go to the Setting and Update and Security, then Activation. Following that, click on the Change Product Key. In the end, enter your product key and follow the instruction to complete the activation process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.